Hi everyone, this is Bibin. I'm the business development manager of Ajna View. Ajna View is a free tracking platform, and as you know, that in telematics, we all require a software and a platform uh, with mobile applications for tracking of the fleet. So we provide end-to-end solution. Log into server.ajnaview.net. Our login page comes in this way. We have to just put the credentials, username and password, and login. Once you start logging in, the initial page which you can see is the tracking page. Here, the vehicles which a fleet manager or which a company has, you can see the list of vehicles here. Total 30 vehicles are there here, and it has been bifurcated into running, stopped, idle, inactive, and no data. So running means the vehicle is which vehicles are running at the moment. So two vehicles are running. Stopped condition 11 vehicles, idle one, inactive 16 vehicles have been in inactive state, and there is no data, like there is no device with no data. So once you click to one of the vehicle, you can see it's the zoom part of the device or the vehicle in the map, and you can see that the location where they are in the map, as well as on the right hand side you can see the information of the vehicle, this current speed, the distance traveled. The distance traveled, it could be the odometer or the distance which has been taken from the once the vehicle has been installed with the device, and after that how many kilometers has been done, and the current location. From current location you can see a share option and the map option. Share option is like if you click on share option, you can share the current location of the vehicle for till 24 hours to a third party without giving a credentials. Just copy the link and send it to them. And in the map part, it is like it will redirect you to the Google Map, pinpointing. So, from your location to this vehicle's location, you can get the directions. So if for example something for a service related or a breakdown happens, you can get through this thing you can get a Google Map location and you can approach the vehicle. Other than that, you can see a playback button here. When you click on the playback button, you can just select the vehicle which you need to do a playback. And okay, I've kept the period here, and just click on the get route. Once you get on click, the route has been given by the software. So therefore 1 week, this week this vehicle has traveled yeah, this much of routes, and you can just select the speed and play it. So it will actually enact the whole scenario which has been done by this week, the which all routes it has taken. And as the time moves, you can see that the vehicle is moving with all the information here: distance, speed, and total distance, plus the addresses has been changing. So even you can just drag the seat bar to see the particular location. And other than that, you have one more option. Just you can see here, you can see that events. So in events, it will actually pinpoint, and you can see that okay, the speed limit is exceeded at here, and ignition on device moving, all the events can be shown here. And now even stops are there. Short stops is like for example the vehicle has stopped for how many minutes, where it was stopped, what was start and end time. So you can see all the brown flags has been mentioned as the stop times. You can download the whole map or whole play route in the PDF format here by clicking it. Now going back to the tracking page. So this is the tracking part. After that, we have multiple dashboards. First is the 360 view. 360 view gives you, um, the overview of the whole fleet, where you can see the total number of alerts. All the alerts can be seen, and this is for last 7 days, which can be again changed whatever time you require. and it on the standard basis we are kept for last 7 days, and for last 7 days what are alerts, the fleet status, total number of vehicles, actually total number of vehicles can be seen here, and then overspeed status alerts are there. Then maximum speed graph is there by each vehicle, and this is acceleration alerts, harsh braking alerts. So uh, these are the overview in a graphical representation in 360 view. And there is Ajna dashboard. Ajna dashboard we have particularly kept for each and every vehicle's information. Now for example, this is Maruti TTK information for last 7 days, total distance run, alarm status, how many alarms has been there. So this was the last 7 days. This is its. You have a map where you can see also showing the navigation route, and engine hours, average speed, maximum speed, and vehicle speed. You can even track the graph to see more information over here. And as you go to this part, as you click on to see like where this overspeeding was happening, you have to just zoom in by selecting the graph, and it will show that okay, this was the area in the map from start to end, which it has get like it has went to a overspeeding part. So there, and you can select different other vehicles and see that for 2 kilometers it has been done like that. Okay. Now vehicle diagnostics is basically for OBD devices which has been connected to the vehicle. So if the vehicle is connected with OBD device, we will get OBD parameters, and OBD parameters will be like engine speed. Same way, you can just select it and you can zoom it in to know more about that information in the graph by time. Engine speed, and it is also per vehicle. So this is like a OBD device. That's why you can get the data over there. Vehicle battery and engine temperature. So engine temperature is like okay, 83. So intake and coolant temperature both you can see it here, and mm, then is the this type of graphs. So basically, it will be helpful for any service engineer or during the maintenance part. The OBD parameters will helpful for a person. Now let's going into the reports part. There are multiple reports like trip reports, and in you select the report and click on get report. You will get an summary report of that the trips. So 42 kilometer per hour max speed, average speed, distance, and duration. And you can see like there is these all are the trips. So 2 trips has been done today, and these 2 trips has been in the tabular form, and you can click on particular trip and you will get an a view of a map of start and end location and the route which has taken for that trip. So this is a visibility format, and after that you have a download format, XLS, CSV, and PDF files can be done. It is a similar as per route, event strip, stop summary, and daily summary reports. You can get such information from here.